guys, welcome back to our vlog or channel. And we are right now it's now 4:15 p.m. and right now we are here in the room and we can't go to the roof because it's raining a lot. Dodo, please move. Dodo, he is not moving. Dodo, you can see that the condition is not good. And here's Anna.
So guys, rainbow. I thinking rainbow. I thinking the sun will come and the rainbow. So here is Diva. Diva is thinking too. Yes, guys.
She has just eaten a laddu.
She is thirsty. So we will meet you in 2 minutes. So guys, this is Diva's cup. So it is lots of water. Diva, you want to? Look, she is drinking. What happened, Diva?
I don't know what happened to Diva. You can see that Diva is drinking a cup of water.
She was so thirsty.
She is very cute. Comment below if you like Diva or not.
Guys, there are so many cases. Please not go outside.
Yeah.
Stay safe, stay healthy.
Please do not go outside during this period.
So
and our country is suffering from a very bad situation. So please do not go outside and please wear masks, sanitize yourself and maintain a social distancing.
Guys, we make tomorrow. We will make a routine tomorrow.
Yeah, and we will tell. We will make. No, we will. I will not make the routine because I don't know the editing in that also. That's why without editing there can't be. So Anna, we can't make the routine because we need editing and I don't know editing.
Oh yes. So we will not make video.
Routine. Here is Diva. Diva is very active.
Diva is so cute. I'm Diva. Nice to meet you guys. I'm Shakti.
You can see Dodo is barking
At who?
at the other dogs.
Yes, at the dog.
Diva is also barking at the other dogs. When Dodo started barking, so Diva has also started barking.
Guys, I'm gonna show you my favorite color. Come here, guys. You can see this is my favorite thing. See, this is not. I need this sparkle, so I'm gonna make sparkle. See, guys, you can see sparkling.
So guys, I'm talking about my grandma. My grandma is the president of the whole Anand Nagar society, and I will show you the awards that Amma got, that my grandma got.
Not this one. That Baba got. This one Amma got.
Yeah. This one Amma got.
And
At 15 March 2020.
Guys, I'm gonna show you my secret room. Come on. Diva is coming too. You come too?
May I, Anna?
Okay. You will hold it. You are
Yeah.
holding the camera.
Yeah, here
Don't
is
hold the
Diva.
camera. It is so expensive.
Yeah.
Come here, guys. I'm gonna show you my secret room. Come.
Here is Diva. You can see the thunderstorm.
Can listen.
Diva is going to sit here.
Oh my God. I was
Sit
so
here,
scared.
Diva. Here is Diva.
Come here,
We are going in the most secret room.
So you can see this is my old clothes. You can see.
And this is my, this is the, yeah. This is
Baba
the tailoring machine.
mask. So we will show you
My
mask later.
grandpa always makes the mask here.
Yes, that's tail machine. Come here, guys. I'm gonna show you. This is my Baba won on the all the
These
trophies.
all awards was won by Baba. So let's go to the outer room. Where's Diva going? I don't know. And we have the new cooler. Lots of months, 7 to 8 months it has been
Guys,
to the cooler.
guys, I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you. I said what. I'm gonna show you. Baba make mask.
First he takes a cloth. He takes a cloth.
He takes a cloth and two elastics. Then he make a shape of mask. Then that sharp thing, you know. So he takes it in the elastic. So then he ties.
The mask is done and the ties and the mask is done. So we are in this room.
In living room.
Everyone is sleeping except me, Diva and Arna.
Yes.
Now we are sitting here. We are very tired.
Guys, you know, comment me. This is a glass or it's a plastic.
Wait, guys, I will show you this.
This is a glass. First, I'm gonna hint you. I make some noise.
Now comment below if it is a glass or a plastic. If you have not see our vlogs, so we will make everyday vlogs. You please see it and share, subscribe and like them.
So guys, let's go to.
Let's go up. There is a secret way from that stairs.
There are two stairs. First, we go outside to the roof. You see in previous videos, and second here you can see in our.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Here it is.
You can light. This is the light that we on it. No, it is not one. Yes, come here, guys.
So we are going up.
You can see.
Yeah.
This is the chair we used many years ago.
And that is the exercise machine.
I will show you how to exercise. First, you sit on this exercise machine. Then I will. Then I sit
It's so old. That's why
we pedal like cycle, so we use pedal like a cycle. So
let's go down. Oh, Diva's also come.
wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute.
Here is Diva.
So you can see.
Oh my god. But there are no mangoes here.
Hey, I can see a mango. Look,
Where?
look there.
I can't see.
There.
No.
That's a mango. You can.
Friends, when the mangoes will be grown up,
No,
I will.
that's a mango. Wait.
No, that's not a
No,
mango.
that one. That.
Tell them.
Come here, guys. You can see the mango there.
Oh yeah, there. So let's go down. Diva is also waiting for us that you come down. So now we are going down.
Okay. Guys, this is my rain boots. Come on. This is my rain boots. You can see it's baggy. It is so cold. I did not wear it. The rain come, I wear it.
So now we are going down. Now we are down here. My tuition starts from 2:30 to 4 o'clock p.m. My cousins are also there. My one brother and one sister also attend the tuition.
You can see device on my lap. थोड़ा आगे वो जो
That's Saurabh Joshi vlogs, and that is the dialogue. Shada Agya Olu.
So we said Shada Agya Divu.
Avi Agya
Divu.
Divu. So it's a very funny dialogue.
Guys, you can see Divan we are dancing. Oh, Diva's catching me! So you can see Diva is running behind me. You're playing.
So I hope you love the vlog.
No, it's not ended. I'm going to show you my first last thing. Come here.
Okay, let's go.
Only last. Very quiet.
It's really a light.
You can see this is my favorite tool. This is a vacuum cleaner. So we can vacuum it.
Yeah, that is the vacuum cleaner.
Oh my god. It's very cute.
These things are very old, and this is the steam machine that we, because it is very important
Guys,
to,
you have no steam machine, so you can pick some neem and put it in a container, then put some hot water and ginger, boil it, and the steam come, you can
take it.
take it.
So I hope you love the vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.